This is Jamaica. Money talk. Why don't you all ask for a donation up to $1 million to $2 million to find this kid? This is Jamaica. Money talk. If a cousin ain't gonna call in, if a best friend ain't gonna call in, money talk, man. Money talk.
I've read something in the Star that, even the child's animal is not operating because of what has happened. This child died, it is reported, with tears on her face. I have goosebumps thinking about it. It could have been my child.
Until them find the person who K1LLER, DANNIELLE ROWE. Yeah, man. We now gonna stop post her up. We now gonna stop talk about her. Any other topic will come out in Jamaica, I make sure to tell you clear. Oh no, I go continue here, fear her name first until we get justice. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up on yourself. Lisa Anna, my hat goes off here for this speech. Big up yourself. You understand? Big up. Anyway, guys, we want to talk about DANNIELLE ROWE for about 1 more minute. Then we're going to get into the real topic when we come for share. Alright, so stay tuned. Press the like button, leave a comment. Alright, so yesterday, to be exact, I posted a video and I use a picture that I see all over Pink Wall, everywhere I have it up. It say that this is the lady walking away with DANNIELLE ROWE. So I'm going to put up the picture right now, I'm going to see it. Alright, so our sister saw the picture and she reached out to me and she said that's not her and we must take it down. And our husband reached out to me last night and him said that as bloggers we have to be careful with some of the information that we get. Okay, so I think she called in for Andre Stevens' show so we can check it out. She explained who took the picture. I don't want to call him name and I don't know if the picture leak or what happened, but I just clear it up, guys. That's not the lady. And the lady says she live in a fear because she can't go at the school for her picnic. Right now, lady, but the advisor now wearing a red kerchief and does do your thing. Where you're at and go about your business and deal with the youth, man. The greatest thing you face in a show, but I just want to take your time out to say sorry about that. And you don't know things in our media, we're a blogger, and sometimes we might get some information wrong. Okay, everybody post it up, everybody have it. Whole heap of blogging page with up on YouTube and see with it. So it fear in itself, it does clear that up, say, I know she. Alright? Yeah. So I'm going to just concentrate on the picture here, whether there's somebody that look like man or woman or whosoever. Alright? So we don't want to do no matching, we don't want to be the detective where we are trying to match nobody picture. And next thing we're going to put people life at risk. Make it stay there so. Make them do them work. You understand? But one thing we learned though, guys, when you listen to Lisa Anna's speech, can you imagine, guys, DANNIELLE pass away with tears on her eyes, like she's saying, oh my God, me no want DEAD, no when my mother there. You know, guys, it's so painful. And as a father, I can relate to it. I can relate to it in a easy. I mean, I tell you, a whole lot of people come up with ideas and solutions. I mean, I tell you this, I'm going to play the voice note and these are the best solution, me say, and this man make perfect sense.
Mix up, boss. Now, listen to me. This is Jamaica. Money talk. Why don't you all ask for a donation up to $1 million to $2 million to find this kid? This is Jamaica. Money talk. If a cousin ain't gonna call in, if a best friend ain't gonna call in, money talk, man. Money talk. I'm willing to set a change right now. Get it on the media, get it over. I say money talk, 1 to 2 million or more. We'll find this kid. The 8-year-old child. Find the killer right away. Money talk, the killer right away, the 8-year-old child. Money talk. 1 to 2 or more million. I'm ready to send the money. Ask for donation pertaining for finding this kid and link it on the TV that people can see that.
This is one of the best solutions me say right now, guys. Leave it in a comment if this makes sense. Put out put out a thing say, anybody, everybody know, let me tell you this, everybody know who do the things them in Jamaica. No? You understand? Money talk as a man say. So for example, if they say, alright then, $5 million. If the people ain't really want to find out who, $5 million, I will get some answer and move on from this. Boy, me and some people I say jungle justice. What do you think, guys, in a comment, when they hold the person, what do you want to happen to them? Then now, this is the thing I'm not like. You hold the person, then you don't have to go court, you don't have to go this, you don't have to go that, you don't have to have good evidence. Then I go get lawyer. Then it is a big twist. Then it's a whole new DANNIELLE story again. Jesus, God in heaven. Boy, I don't know. Them things are just me draining. No matter what we do, no matter what we say, no matter what we try, we still not going to get back to DANNIELLE ROWE. That is the main point. It's been happening for so long. So many names. So many names. Until it reach point we do a step, that is when we take it serious. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. I'll leave you with a little video clip and we'll catch you now in the next video.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. And this place, you'll find there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you care enough for the living, make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. You and for me. You and for me.
Looking out across the window, seeing fun in the time, reaching out without you saying, feel it soon inside, and I say, why? Tell him that it's human nature, why? I wanna do it that way, and I say, why? Tell him that it's human nature, why? I love do it this way, I love do it that way. Reaching out across that doorstep. No, what? I'm left singing alone and stick to blogging. Guys, big up on yourself. I'm gone again. I'm out.